Hi everybody, thank you for watching. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this clean girl, fresh look for spring. This is my go-to routine when I have literally 10 minutes to get ready. I love how glowy and dewy and natural this makeup look is, and I feel like that's kind of just what everybody wants now, like that no makeup look. That's what we used to call it in my day, but now we got the clean girl look. So if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look right here in under 10 minutes, then please keep watching. I have a new like everyday routine that I felt was necessary to share with you guys. Renzi is going on his 3-hour nap. So I feel like a tinted moisturizer or a CC cream, BB cream, like anything of that sort is necessary when it starts getting warmer out. So I'm actually gonna be applying this with my hands. Don't freak out. And this is gonna just keep it really natural. Key is, let's like make it look like our skin, but just better. And don't forget the neck. So next we are going to do a little concealer. You're gonna wanna lift the eyes and just apply this where you need it. And I'm also doing on my eyelids. We're gonna just take a little bit of cream bronzer to contour. Renzi just woke up. And then we're gonna do a little cream blush. I've been loving like the pink on the nose. And we're just gonna use the bottom of my blender. I'm just doing a little bit of powder just right under my eyes just to set so I don't crease. And just a little bit right here because I get really oily like on my forehead. I'm about to change your guys' life. I've been using this for probably like 2 months now. It's pretty much empty. So you could see like obviously once you add the powder, it kind of like mattifies the skin, and for like that clean girl natural look, especially during the spring, we want dewy. So this is the Dalba First Spray Serum. It's a double layer serum enriched with white truffle from Italy. Say no more. So what you do is you want to shake it up beforehand. Before you shake it, you will see that there is a serum on the lower level. That has Italian white truffle extract in it and also vitamin E. All of their ingredients that they use are natural and also antioxidants. And then the oil layer on top is made out of avocado oil, sunflower seed oil, chia seed extract, and natural plant oils. So when I tell you this spray has been an obsession of mine, when I'm doing like a more dramatic look, I'll use this in between. So as soon as I use the powder and just kind of like throughout the makeup routine, and then obviously at the end to set it all off. But this I love especially when I'm doing a more natural look because like I mentioned, you want to look like super dewy. This can be used for skincare. It can be used for use with your makeup. You can keep it in your purse and apply it throughout the day. I use this all day long, hence you could see why it's literally almost empty. I don't think I've ever gone through a product so fast in my life. Nor do I ever think I found a setting mist that was as good as this. And whenever I use it, I feel like my skin gets super, super hydrated, as well as it looks like very glowy and beautiful at the same time. So again, we're gonna shake it and we're gonna just mist the face. And then I take the back of my beauty blender and I just very gently like push it all in. And you could just see how it gives your skin like the most beautiful glow. This is a new holy grail, cannot live without. I have to place an order for another one because I just went through this so fast. I found this originally on Amazon and it had like crazy good reviews. I was in dire need of a good setting spray. When I moved, I still haven't unpacked all my makeup and I was in the market looking for a new product and I came across this one. And I wanted to mention because when I was first starting to use it, I was a little unsure of how I was gonna like it, if it was gonna make me look oily or anything like that. And also I have very sensitive skin, but I have gotten so many compliments on like, what foundation are you using? What products are you using? And honestly, I really feel like I owe so much to this because I layer this on my skin and it just turns anything, whether it's matte or dewy, like into like this beautiful natural like glow. So I can honestly say in my 12 years of YouTube, this might be one of my favorite newfound products that I will be using forever. So I highly recommend trying it. So like I said, I'm gonna use it now that I use the powder, and then at the end, I'm gonna spray my face again with this. Another thing I did wanna mention, I do tend to get very oily when the summer months come, obviously. And I wanted to point out that this doesn't make you look oily. It just gives you like that beautiful natural glow, which is very important to mention because like you saw, I use a lot of it on my face and I never look oily. I just look glowy. And I'm gonna just spray on my chest while we're at it, because I feel like a clean girl aesthetic is like clean, glowy looking skin. I don't like to do a lot of brow, like I don't like to fill in a lot when I'm doing a natural look, because I used to do that all the time, and I feel like I look back and I'm like cringing at some of the brows that I used to do. Like they were just too dark. Just like feeling where it's like a little sparse like towards the ends. And we are going to use the eyebrow sealer. This also has like a pretty glow in it to like just give you that clean, like fresh out of the shower type of vibe. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of like a champagne highlighter just for my lids. We are gonna do mascara. We're gonna do a little bit of bottom mascara, not too much. I'm gonna add a little bit of this cheek tint also. I feel like it gives a little bit more color. I like to apply a little bit of this on the lips. I'm gonna do a little bit of liner. And we're gonna do a clear gloss. I'm gonna take a little bit of like a light brown matte, and this is gonna go just on the outer corners of my eyes. I need like a little something just to feel more like myself. And the same color, and put a little bit right in the crease. You could do this with a cream contour if you want. I always just do like a tiny bit. Most necessary step is eye drops. I'm gonna do a little low ponytail because that's just the clean girl look. Go-to hairstyle when it's time to wash my hair, which is ironic. More spritz. Make sure it's all. And you could leave it in a pony or a braid. I've been loving like a braid, mostly because my hair gets a little frizzy in the back. So I like to make sure I do it super tight. Now you could leave it, you could do a little bun. I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna put my earrings in. And this is like such an easy routine for those that just don't have a lot of time in the morning, but you wanna like throw yourself together and just give off that clean girl vibe. In my day, we used to just call this a no makeup, but we gotta stay current with the trends, you know? I have my Lorenzo necklace on. I do a little gold rings. That doesn't fit my finger. And then to top everything off, we're gonna do one more spritz of the Dalba. And when I tell you this just smells delectable, we're going to use the back of the Beauty Blender, push everything in, and we are looking fresh. So this is the final result. Obsessed. I hope this video was helpful for anybody looking for a new routine. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.